actually on my first week of pharmacy school. We're back. It's the second year. It's starting off strong. Everything is going so fast. So we need to get back on track. Today we're going to fully study. I don't have one class this semester. I have an assignment to do for that class, but other than that, I don't have to attend any class of this class. So let's start the day. Let's get ready and we'll talk later. First, let me show you a little bit of my prep before starting school. It's time to go shopping for my food for school. So the goal is to buy things that will be easy to make, quick lunches, and savory because I love a savory meal. Let's do a groceries haul. This week I decided that I will be doing a pasta salad, like Greek style, with chicken breasts. I'm going to use them to create kind of like a Mediterranean plate. Yeah, my week is pretty chill. Let me show you what I got. First off, I got farfales, 2 little juices. Then I got, also I wanted to do spaghetti, like a big batch of spaghetti sauce. So I bought the necessary things for that. So a whole tomato, cans of whole tomatoes, chickpeas for the salad, juice boxes, 2 chicken breasts, $8 each, not that bad, avocados, bell peppers, cucumbers, then sweet chili sauce, then Kalamata olives for the salad, and red onion. I got cheese string, then pita bread. Then I got, I wanted to try that because it's like cretinade. It's creton in French, but normally there's pork in it, but this one only has veal, and it's kind of like a thing to eat it in the morning. You put it on your toast and just like eat it. It's a source of like protein. I was thinking maybe it will be nice in the morning, just a quick thing. So maybe I'll like it, maybe I won't. We'll try it. Then I got instant rice. Then I got English muffin for breakfast. Chicken bacon, halal chicken bacon, feta cheese. Then I got beef patties, spicy beef patties from Lloyd's. I'm gonna try them out. I love Jamaican beef patties. If you don't know that about me, my mother knows, everybody knows I love me a Jamaican beef patty. And to finish it off, I got beef, ground beef for the spaghetti. And yeah, that's about it. The rest I already had in my pantry. I also want to do egg bites, so with bacon and maybe like sausage, I don't know, just for the morning, because in the morning I do not have time, okay? If I want to have enough sleep and enough time, I need to maximize my preparation, because preparation prevents from poor performance. The 5 P's. You better know. You better come correct. So yeah, let me clean everything up and start my cooking.
You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer.
Okay, so here is the mix. There's chickpeas, cucumbers, tomatoes, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, red onion, and yeah. Now I'm gonna add the pasta. So yeah, I'm almost done. I will have to do the vinaigrette, but that's about it for the pasta salad. Oh my god, it's a lot of pasta. It looks like this. I might add a little bit of everything, honestly, because I like it when it's like chunky and like savory. So I might add a little bit of everything, but this is what it looks like. Super duper easy and quick. Guys, what the hell? I took the egg bites off of the oven Look at how delicious they look. Oh my god. Hello. So now we're back in the grind. We have to be. I wanted to show you my Notion board. I've updated it a little bit. So I just wanted to show you guys because it's just so exciting. These are like the cutie things that motivate you to keep going, you know, because if everything was all black and white and gray, I would not be surviving. But anyways, let me show you my Notion. So this is my Notion. How cute. Almost a year ago, I was presenting you my Notion. I was doing a Notion tour, and now I'm just showing you guys what worked for me, what didn't work for me in the past year, and what I want to do differently with my Notion this year. So if you can remember, you can always go back, but my last Notion board was PharmD here. I think it's cuter to have Doctorate of Pharmacy. This is like very niche right now, like I'm just being picky, but yeah, I put Doctorate of Pharmacy, and then I always update my current state. So now I'm second year pharmacy student, and I put the fractions as well. I put the 3 of 8, so 3 semesters out of 8. I'm on my 3rd right now, and as you can see, it's very pink, very colorful, very pastels. I love a pastel color scheme, so if I can do it, I will do it. Okay, so as you can see on the first column, there's basically like a summary of everything. So for fall 2025, I have my syllabuses, then I have my schedule, my Notion schedule, and then I have the PDF of the actual schedule. I've added the first 2 weeks because my school, they do iCalendars for us, so we have to wait 2 weeks before they send it out. So for the 2 first weeks, I have already done my calendar, and I've connected my calendar to my Notion, so I can go to Notion calendar and I'm supposed to see my calendar. So here it is. This is my calendar for this week. It's a busy calendar. Yes it is. And this is only like school and work. Luckily I don't work in the afternoon or like evenings during the week right now, so that's a little helpful. But I'm starting off with, so basically my Mondays and my Thursdays are lab days, so I'm starting with like intro and everything, but afterwards on Thursday we're starting for real. So that's like a slower start. We start at 9 instead of 8:30, yay. And then we continue with whatever courses we have. My first exam is on the 9th of September, so in 3 weeks, so it's going by very fast. Also, I have a class that I have in my schedule, but I only have to attend to 3 classes because I've already done this class in my bachelor's degree. So they're gonna give me an equivalence if I attend 3 of the classes and do one of the like little assignments, and best believe I will do it. So this is my calendar for this week. As I said, we can go back to my principal page. As you can see, I have also my OneDrive here, and then my books that are also in my OneDrive. If you click on my OneDrive, you will see that I've categorized every class in different folders and in my second year folder as well. So we're already there, and then I have like, yeah, 5 classes. Yeah, 5 classes, but 1 is credited. As I said, very fun, very cool. So I'll put everything there. Then my books, same kind of things. I have them in PDFs, most of them. So I'll put that there. The clock, I've changed my clock. It's pink now. Of course it is. And then I have my to-do list. It used to be in the middle, and like I used to put everything in the middle, but now I put it on the side. I don't know, I feel like it's more to-do list-y, you know what I mean? Then I have my previous semesters here with my previous classes, and then here on the second column, I have my classes for the semester. So I have 5 classes, one that is a class. One class a semester is a lab, second one hematology and nephrology. The third one is the one that I don't technically have, is the pharmacist and the scientific knowledge. So it's like stats, basically statistics. The fourth one is infectiology, so bacteria and everything. It's infectiology 1. And the last one is gastroenterology. Is that even a word in English? I love this. I'm excited for second year. Truly, I feel like I'm gonna learn so much. And yeah, the key to like having good grades and like being consistent and understanding everything is to compartmentalize. If I learn how to compartmentalize in the right way and like realize that, okay, if I just do this exam, nail this, I will be fine. If I just do this little step, everything will work. If I am able to do this, I will kill this semester. So in each class, there's basically the same thing. For hematology and nephrology, I haven't put anything yet, but what I really want to do this year that I haven't done last year truly is actually study in my Notion board. So put all of the information that is very important on my Notion board and try to go through it, really like make a list that is logic to me, attach my images of like my good notes and attach pictures and everything, because I feel like I'm a little bit all over the place with my good notes and my Notion and my Anki's and my Brainscapes and everything, and sometimes it's a little, you know, a lot. So I really want to try to make it as easy as possible and just use like my Notion and my OneDrive. So we'll see how that goes, but I really want to do like summaries, good summaries that will work for me. And yeah, so that's my goal for my Notion. And if you go down, you see these are my assignments for well, these are my exams. I haven't put my assignments yet because I don't know exactly specifically what they are. I haven't done a deep dive into my syllabuses. I'm also just waiting for the first classes of everything to understand a little bit more of the syllabuses. So I put my exams first. I have 6 exams. So that's that. All relatively okay percentages. Yeah, that's about it for my Notion. I will definitely most likely show you how it's going during the semester. I'm planning to film more of like my day-to-day life. So yeah, I will definitely give you more information about that. As I said, I link my Anki's, I link my OneDrives, I link my docs that are on my school system page. I link videos that teachers film to like teach us lectures, you know, like I link them. So in my to-do list, for example here, I have to watch a video on natural products. I just click on it and then I just like press enter to log in, and I can watch the video, and then maybe I can watch 10 minutes and then 20 and then 30, because it's a 2.5-hour video, might I add, you know, just stepping on our necks on the freaking first day, you know. But anyways, so yeah, that is my Notion board. I was really inspired by Phaedra D. She's a pharmacy student. Well, actually, I think she's a pharmacist now. But she's on YouTube too, so you should definitely check her out. So now it's Friday. I might go to a cafe, to the library. I'm not sure yet. One thing that is for sure, we're going to nail this semester, okay? Haven't been in a while, so let's go to the gym. The fit for today. Let's go study. I think I might go to the library, maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe library, maybe the coffee shop. I don't know.
briskets right now. I'm like 50% in, so